Alright guys, so Tropical Depression 3 has been named to Tropical Storm Bret, the second name of the Atlantic hurricane season as of June 19th, 2023. So, as you could probably tell, I did an update earlier about Tropical Depression 3 and where it would go. This invest hasn't really changed, except it has been bumped up a 50% chance. But here we got Bret, 40 miles an hour, with the pressure of 1,008 millibars, located at 11.3 degrees north, 42.2 degrees west, which is it's moving west at 18 knots, 21 miles an hour. It's pretty fast right now. You know, it's, very, very fast. So, here's the track. It's kind of changed a little. I'm still just kind of worried that it'll just come up to Florida, because, again, I have vacation, which, of course, I will be announcing on the Bret and A Show channel. And if you want to see vlogs about Florida, you know, you can go watch it. Who knows, if we have to do a hurricane vlog, I mean, I know there's, like, a little refund thing, so if it does go bad, you know, then, we get to have our days back, at some point, and I got to witness a hurricane for the first time. Because as you guys know, if you watch the Bret Nation channel, I'm in East Tennessee, so not really near the ocean, but I have got affected by remnants of hurricanes. But yeah, this is like way out. So there's still some models that predict that it'll go above the Lesser Antilles and still go up here. But some are saying it'll go into the Caribbean Sea, so I don't know. It's kind of a train wreck right now. We don't really know what's going to happen. But it's projected to be a hurricane around 2 a.m. Thursday. And then it's supposed to get bogged down to a tropical storm on Saturday. So it'll be near the Dominican Republic. It might make a landfall. I know it's supposed to make a landfall on one of these islands down here. So as a Category 1 hurricane, so that's something. But it is really moving fast, so if you're in that cone, of course, you know, make sure you're safe and all that. If you're in Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, the Lesser Antilles right here, yeah, you need to watch out, because this thing could be a hurricane. Still very strong winds. So it looks like Bret might be the first hurricane of the season. But this one behind it, if this forms, it will become Tropical Storm Cindy. So, I don't know what the models were saying earlier, but something about, like, a Fujiwara effect, where both storms combine, like, Bret is gonna swallow Cindy, or something like that. I don't even know. But, I guess we're gonna have to see. I don't know about you guys, but this one looks, like, well more defined than Tropical Storm Bret right here. I mean, Bret does look really healthy, don't get me wrong, but you can even start to see a little eye starting to form in there. But look at this one. Look how big that is, bro. I mean, I don't know. It's gonna be... It's interesting, especially this time of the year. It's very odd. It's unusual. It's not normal. So that's a very scary start to the season. I mean, we just had Arlene 2 weeks ago, and now we're having Bret, and now we're possibly having Tropical Storm Cindy. So it's very, very... And also, I've seen people say that there's another invest, so if that forms, and that's going to be Tropical Storm Dawn. That's crazy. So yeah, very active start, like, compared to last year. Like, last year, we had no storms in August. I don't even think we had a single storm in July either, besides Tropical Storm Colin, which made landfall in the Carolinas. But besides that, like, we didn't really have that much storms at this time of the year last year. Now, don't get me wrong, last year took a turn quick. It took a full 180, I'm not gonna lie. But 2022 wasn't as active as other seasons, though. It was like 2021 and, of course, 2020, because that season was just mayhem. But this season, it's not looking too good, and this is definitely showing. Like, look at this. Tropical Storm Bret, June 19th. This one... Yeah, it says a tropical wave located several hundred miles, Cabo Verde Islands, continue to produce a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Environmental conditions appear favorable for further development of the system, and a tropical depression could form in a couple of days, while the system moves westward at 10 to 15 miles per hour across the eastern and central tropical Atlantic. So, you know, It's got a medium chance. I think it's really getting there, and there's nothing really stopping the storm. If it didn't stop Bret, then it's probably not going to stop this one, unless if something gets in the way. I don't know. But anyways, that's all I really got about right now. Expect more updates tomorrow. Subscribe, turn notifications on, because I will be updating. Bye-bye.